Tell me an incident where last you had a fight with anybody and how did you dealt with that situation?
Generally, you are so soft spoken, or it's only because of today's event?
What will you tell the passenger?
I don't know about. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
So, Binkle, from first round, I wanted to ask you, and that's again that we are having this session one on one. From where have you taken your grooming tips?
Sir, from YouTube, and my mother is a beautician.
Oh, wow, wonderful. Great. So, mother would be very excited about you that you are taking a part in this interview process.
Yes, sir. She was really happy that today I'm coming here and I got courage to attend the interview
Okay.
because before I was not prepared, but now I feel that I will do it.
Okay. So, how was your day up till now?
It was a bit nervous, but now I'm feeling a little confident and I'm feeling happy.
Okay. So, since the time you entered the premises, and it's been roughly 2 hours, I guess, right? So, anything that you would like to change in the entire setup that we have done? Any improvement or any feedback for us?
No, sir, everything is perfect. I like the contrast we are having in the environment, and that is thing.
All right. Tell me an incident where last you had a fight with anybody and how did you dealt with that situation?
Last time I had a fight with my brother, who is elder with me, and we got fight because I wanted to go with my friends, and he was busy in his own work. But later, I thought that he will go to Udaipur as he's working in hotel management in Udaipur.
So are you dependent on your brother to go out?
No, ma'am. But at that moment, I really needed his help because I was getting late. But now it's okay. We are having a good bond.
Okay. So what did you do to create that good bond?
I don't let my anger come out.
What do you do for that?
I do some meditation and also I go to gym, so it relaxes my mind. I like.
Okay. So did you speak to him or what did you do?
Yes, ma'am. I spoke to him and he is very caring. He understands my feelings.
Okay.
Okay, Dwinkle, tell me that generally you are so soft spoken, or it's only because of today's event?
No, sir, that's my natural nature.
Okay. Then I have a question for you. That if you have a passenger or any colleague who's giving a very tough time, how would you handle that colleague or a passenger? You can choose any of these situations, whether with the colleague or the passenger. How will you react to it?
Sir, I would choose a colleague and I will talk to them because if they're angry, maybe there is some reason that they are giving some argument or whatever. So I will try to talk to them and will really make them comfortable that is everything okay, and will make sure to give them water and to ask if there is any difficulty they can contact me and can.
What so if you're not able to handle the situation and they overpower you?
If they try to overpower me, I will ask some of my other friends that is there any issue with that person, and I'll try to cope up with the situation. I will think I am.
What will you do if it happens on a flight?
Ma'am, in the flight we are getting late, so I will try to ask with my co-mates so they can help me with the situation, how to deal, and I will make sure to make them feel comfortable.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a situation. Uh, if she's your colleague, right? She's trying for almost 12 years and you've just joined the company. And she's telling you something which is not part of the standard operating procedure. And you had to correct her, right? And how will you deal with this situation? And you know that other passengers are getting annoyed because of her behavior on board. Then how would you handle the passenger as well as it?
Sir, I will politely request her that what she is doing is really hampering our guidelines. So I will.
Will you be able to tell the senior?
Yes, ma'am, in a polite way, I will try to make them convinced, and because it is really important to be on time, so I will do it.
And about the customer, how would you deal with the customer? Because that is the priority over there, I
Yes,
suppose.
For the customers, I will tell them that she is having a hard time, so let us give her.
You'll tell the passenger that the crew is having a hard time. Your colleague. But you mentioned something like empathy and positive attitude, ability to work independently and in a team. How will you be in a team if you're pulling down your colleague in front of the passenger?
Ma'am, I think I can deal the situation at the moment
How?
because
What will you tell the passenger?
I to the passengers, I will say, I don't know about this.
No worries. Do you have any other question?
I still want an answer, which I am looking for. Let me rephrase the question for you. If a passenger, is upset about anything, about abnormal behavior or anything which was entitled for him or her, but you're not able to serve, how would you react? How would you go and encounter that passenger? What would be your next course of step?
Sir, I will ask them that is there anything that I can do for them if they feel upset or bad,
Mhm.
and I will make sure to give them the best alternate I can,
Okay. And
and I will make them feel that this is our responsibility, and if you find any difficulty, we are sorry. We'll do anything if you want.
okay, all right. Little, after a lot of hard work, if you fail in anything, how do you handle that failure on your life?
Sir, I believe that failure is a part of our life. We should learn from it. I will come more stronger by working on my area of improvement. And I believe in experiencing. So, yes, I will be more stronger next time.
Okay. You have mentioned about reading books. What kind of books do you read?
Sir, before I was reading some fictional books, but right now I have switched to some reality books and which has some chapters like peace and karma. The recent book I read was Uncertainty Love, which was written by an author who is also a saint, and he writes really good about what is in our real life, what happens, and what we have to suffer throughout. That is what I'm reading right now.
Okay. How do you deal with any day-to-day challenges, regular challenges I'm talking? How do you deal with that?
So day-to-day challenges, I keep myself calm and I do some meditation. Also, I'm reading and also I have my family members to talk. I talk with everyone to make myself comfortable. It is better to spoke out rather than keeping in ourselves. So yes, I spend my day in that way only and experience whatever is happening. I face everything calmly.
Do you have any other questions for us?
No.
All right. So you can wait in the waiting area. If you're shortlisted, we'll get back to you. Thank you.
Thank you.